my channel. My name is Ashley and I'm a homeschooling mom of 4, and today I am bringing you the first unboxing of new curriculum for the upcoming 2020-2021 homeschool year. This will be my 7th full year 6th or 7th, I don't even know, full year homeschooling. I am going to have an 8th grader, a 7th grader, a 5th grader, and a 3rd grader. And you guys are gonna start seeing a lot of my curriculum videos hitting my channel. But today I am partnering with The Good and the Beautiful on today's video to show you guys the new curriculum that I got from them for our upcoming school year. So we have been using The Good and the Beautiful for 2 school years now for a large portion of our homeschooling curriculum, and I just love it so much. So we are sticking with so many of the same things because don't fix what's not broken and definitely don't change something you love. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from them for the upcoming homeschool year. So you guys saw the big box, so I'm just going to pull all of it out. And then at the end, I'll explain kind of that there's a few things in here or not in here that I am getting. So I am gonna open up these guys. There's gonna be a lot of packing noise from the wrapping, so I'm really sorry. But this is a live unboxing, so here we go. So in this first little bit, I have Space Science, a K through 8 unit study. So we're gonna be doing space science. We are going to be doing history year 3 from them. And then it also has, so it has the course book right here. And then it has another book, the Big Book of History Stories. So this will be our 3rd year using this history curriculum. We really love it. And then it also has another fun game called the Bill of Rights Roundup. So that looks fun. Year 1 has a history game. Year 2 has a different history game. So I love that they have games that go with history. So that's everything in the first little pack. And all of those subjects, history and science, we will be doing as a group. So all of my kids together. That is one of the biggest reasons why I love The Good and the Beautiful, is because I can use it for all of my kids. So now we have this one here, and I'm gonna rip into this. Okay, so the first thing we have is the Abraham Lincoln Level 8 book study. They do not have a Level 8 language arts. It goes from Level 7 into the next year these are the book studies, and then there's language arts for the high school level. My daughter finished Level 7 in 7th grade. So for language arts, for 8th grade, I wasn't gonna put her into the high school courses yet. So we're gonna be doing book studies. So here's the one for Abraham Lincoln. And then in here is the Level 7 Language Arts pack. It has the reader, it has a course companion, it has their actual book that they work out of, it has the geography cards, and it has a checklist back here. So this is the Level 7 Language Arts pack for my oldest son. And then we have one more in here. So I'm gonna rip into this one now. And I know a lot of you guys really like to see my grade level curriculum choices instead of just unboxing. So I will be doing those too once I get all of my curriculum. So those will be more towards May, June, July. This is just like the beginning of getting this stuff. I kind of space it out. So when you want to see, like, my daughter is going to be in 8th grade. So what is everything she's going to be using for 8th grade? Those videos will be coming, but not this month in April. Those will be next month, maybe May, definitely by June. So look out for those if you want to see those, but there'll be lots of unboxings too as the stuff comes. So I'll be doing both on my channel. This one is taped really, really good. So there we go. Okay, so like I just mentioned, my daughter is going to be doing book studies next year because she does not have a language arts level. And this one is the level 8 book study, The Touch of Magic, the story of Helen Keller's life. So my daughter is gonna love this. I'm gonna have her start with this one and do Abraham Lincoln second. So she has the book study and then the book for that. And then I also have level 5 language arts. It's the same thing, the reader, the book, the course companion, the geography cards, and the student checklist all in here for my second son, my second youngest. My youngest daughter is going to be moving into level 3 language arts, and they are actually coming out with a brand new version of that. So that's why that's not here. I am waiting to get the new version. Along with that, my youngest daughter is also going to be doing Math 3 from The Good and the Beautiful, and that is also not quite done. So once those two things are finished and ready to go, I will get them, but those are on my list that I will also be using those from The Good and the Beautiful. Along with what you guys have seen for this unboxing, I do already have some things from The Good and the Beautiful that I am going to be reusing. So typing 3, my oldest daughter completed typing 3 this year. My youngest kids have been using typing 1 and typing 2. So the one that is done with typing 1 will move into typing 2, and the one that's done with typing 2 will move into the typing 3. So I didn't need to order new books of those. They'll just place their sticker right over top the next one, and I've been reusing those in my house. Another thing that I already have from The Good and the Beautiful that I'm going to be using next year as our first science unit of the new school year is mammals. I received that a couple of months ago, and I am so excited for that unit. Currently, as I am filming this, our world is kind of undergoing a lot of stuff. We're all kind of being in our homes, and I am really dreaming and looking forward to being able to go out with my kids in the fall, go to zoos, learn a lot about mammals. That's something I'm really looking forward to. So I already have that. Another thing that I already have are a couple versions of new handwriting. So when The Good and the Beautiful this past year revised some of their handwriting levels, they sent them to me, but my kids were already using the older versions, and although I do love the new versions, I didn't want to discontinue using the older version just for the sake of using the new one. So I set aside those new levels, and they will also be using those next year. So I have handwriting already, I have science unit already, I have typing already, and I'm waiting on language arts 3 and waiting on math 3. So that is all of my unboxing for The Good and the Beautiful today. Let me know if you're going to be using any of this same curriculum down in the comments below. I just get so excited when the new stuff starts rolling in, I was just excited to share it with you guys. So if you have any questions for me regarding the curriculum, I can answer them to the best of my ability down in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up for curriculum unboxings. Give me a thumbs up for grade level videos of what each of my kids are going to be doing, so that way I know that that's still content you want to see me share. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of what we're going to be using for our next homeschool year, and I will see you guys all in my next video really soon. Bye guys.
I know you've heard it all before, but you are